What if I told you the most legendary, crowd-stopping, flavor bomb jerk chicken starts with just one bowl? No complicated steps, no fancy techniques, just one incredible, all-in marinade and a whole lot of trust. I'm about to show you the simplest path to the most complex flavor you've ever pulled out of your oven. This is the beautiful part. We're skipping the rules. We're taking everything. The fiery Scotch bonnets, the grassy scallions, the sharp ginger and garlic, and we're throwing it in the blender. Then we're taking the dry stuff, the smoky paprika, the warm allspice, the sweet brown sugar, and we're throwing that right in too. One whirl, one gloriously messy, fragrant, rust-colored paste. That's it. That's the whole secret. You pour this magic over your chicken. You get your hands in there. Make sure every nook, every cranny, every inch of skin is dreaming in jerk spice. Then, you walk away. You let time do the heavy lifting. Overnight in the fridge, the flavors aren't just coating the chicken. They're moving in. They're becoming part of it. Your only job is to wait and maybe snack on something else. The next day, your kitchen already smells like promise. You arrange your well-marinated chicken on a pan. No fuss, no stress. The oven does the rest. What happens in there is pure alchemy. The heat coaxes out the sugars to caramelize, deepens the spices, tenderizes the meat into absolute submission. The smell, oh, the smell. It builds slowly from a whisper to a shout until everyone in the house is hovering, asking, "Is it time yet?" And then you open the door, and there it is, sticky, charred at the edges, glistening with its own glorious juices. This is the moment. The first taste is a revelation. It's got the heat, the sweet, the smoke, the herbaceous notes, all of it in perfect harmony and with zero complicated effort from you. People will try to dissect it. What did you put in this? They'll ask for the complicated truth, and you just smile and say, "It's simple, really." That's the power of this recipe. It proves that incredible flavor doesn't come from a dozen steps. It comes from a dozen incredible ingredients, all getting together in one party, and then having the time of their lives. It's humble chicken, transformed into something majestic with just a little patience and one very forgiving bowl. So, if you want all the flavor with none of the fuss, this is your recipe. Try it. Let that one bowl marinade change your weeknight or your next gathering. Let me know in the comments how your simple chicken turns into a masterpiece. Hit like if you believe in simple magic, subscribe for more one bowl wonders, and as always, happy cooking.